Hey YouTube, it's Aqua and CaptionBolt. CaptionBolt. This is a cool new program where it's really easy. You're going to put a video on here and it's going to put captions on here for you. It's going to edit with captions for you just easily and seamlessly. And thank you to the CaptionBolt team for letting me check this out and try it out here. This is a pretty cool program, and just to know that there's different usage that you can get on here, which is pretty cool. Currently, we have 1,000 minutes, so we're gonna see what's going on with this. I'm gonna put the link in the description below with the affiliate link. If you want to use it, it's pretty cool. So let's try it out here. So I'm gonna drop a video and let's see how it goes. Pretty cool off the rip. It's 2 gigs up to 60 minutes, so that's already fire. So I have one of my videos here, how to get a virtual phone on Android. I'm just gonna upload it here, and whoa, that was quick. Okay, we can resize later. So now, spoken language is already detected. Let's create video, and now it's uploading. We'll be back when it's finished. I can tell you already, this is super quick. It's transcribing the video, extracting speech with AI. This is going to be crazy. Let's see what's happening. I'm excited. All right, the video is finished and uploaded. Let's go on here.
Hey YouTube, it's Aqua,
Oh,
and
look
I'm
at that
going to show
high
you how to
quality
use a virtual phone
caption.
on
This is
your phone.
crazy.
Okay, so have you ever imagined running a virtual phone on your phone?
Yo, that is so cool. And look at all these captions that you can do. Let's change it to this one.
Able to use a whole nother operating system and
Can you change it
start
on the
over again
fly?
or just use older programs.
Neon
You
burst
know, if
is
you test running
cool.
something on another app before,
Slide
well, there's a program
gradient.
called Virtual Mashup,
Oh,
and
okay, that
most
is
versions
fly.
have Android 12 or
What?
an older version of Android and being able to use it on your actual
This
device.
is cool.
It's pretty
Bounce
cool.
pill.
So once we finally get it installed, we'll show you
Oh
how to use
man,
it
this is
and see how
sick.
it works.
Oh, they even got the hub style.
Open developer option.
That's crazy.
If it doesn't open, you're going to have to
Caption
go
style
into your
again.
settings here
What? All right,
and
so
you can
we could
make it.
customize it. We can make it small.
Make sure you go to your
We
settings
can make
here,
it
and then you have
large.
to scroll all the way down to
We can
developer
change the
options.
color.
And if developer options isn't
Let's
showing,
do pink.
you have to go into your settings.
I don't think that did anything, but I think maybe because, so we can align it maybe at the top. Oh, top. Let's see.
Your about phone, hit play
Or
a couple of times, and
can
then
you
you
bring
can
it
go
all the
back
way
to the
down to the
main screen.
bottom?
If you don't see it, definitely check out my
Oh,
videos on
yeah.
YouTube about it. I'm gonna put the link.
Dang. So only if you can I would redo all my long form videos and put this in there just because. But this is seamless and easy. Like, why not, right? So there's a text editor here. So it shows all of your text here that's on the video. Wow, and you can change it up just right that. So that's where it's at right now. Is be like, even though this is wrong, I'm say hello techies. Let's just see. Play.
I'm gonna put the link in the
Hello
description below.
techies.
All right,
All
and
right.
then once you do that,
You're gonna
you're
want
gonna
to go
want
to
to
wireless debugging,
turn
turn
that
that on
on,
there,
and then
and then
open it
open it
up.
up. Okay.
And then
And then
pair
pair
device.
device with parent code.
Okay, and then
Okay.
you're gonna get a code here.
I'm a cornball. I don't know why y'all watch me. But yo, shouts out to Caption Bolt again for letting us try this out and check it out. This is absolutely amazing. This is wild. We're gonna have to check what it is. Oh, and you can change it to TikTok IG short.
All right, I'm gonna write it down because last time it blocked.
No. Dog, wait, you can resize on the fly? No
Me.
good. Go back to the beginning.
Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm
This is redonkulous. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Facebook IG. What? So you don't even have to
YouTube.
do the 9 by you
Use a
can make it
virtual phone within your
no good. This is crazy.
phone.
So you
Okay,
can have
so
it
if you
blurred,
imagine running a virtual phone on your
cropped.
phone, able to use a whole nother operating system
Cropped is
and
crazy.
install older
zoom out a bit.
programs or, do testing or debugging.
What?
Well, there's a program called Virtual
What
Master,
in the
and
world?
once you install it, you're able to
Who
edit
are
in
these
Photoshop
guys?
11,
What
and
kind of video
instantly
program
edit
is
it
this?
on your actual device.
This thing, see, and this is why I love being a content creator. You can literally take one video, flip it over, do whatever you want because you can literally do whatever you want. This
Oh,
thing
it's
is
pretty cool. So
seamless.
once we finally get it installed,
What
we'll
the
jump on here
heck?
and then I'll show you how it works.
What in the world? Oh my goodness, solid. Nah, but we want the blur or crop it out. And we can just crop it and we can change it. Dog, forget all the noise. You can. Oh man, background color, change it to purple. Get me off here. All right, cover. It says we can do a cover in the video. Turn on the edit copy style. It's like we're on Microsoft PowerPoint. Your big
Hey
idea.
YouTube.
Oh, this is like in the beginning.
Hey,
What? So you could customize it? What? This is like an intro. Customize. What? That's cool. That's super dope. Wow. B-roll. Analyze your transcript and add relevant stock footage at any key moment. Auto add B-roll. Auto add B-roll. I'm intrigued. Let's see what this AI processing. Matching stock footage. Yo, are they about to destroy my video with the B-roll? Suggestion failed. Let's try one more time. You know why? It's probably because this video already is fly. It already looks good, so it's like it doesn't need B-roll. But maybe if we had a different type of video, or maybe this is still being made, who knows? Or maybe we have to add our own thing, you know. You know what? Let's just try it. Let's just add an image here. Um, yeah, I think let's let's do this. Let's add the actual thumbnail and see what happens. So we just added it here. Let's upload and add. All right, play.
hey YouTube. It's Aqua, and I'm
So you can put the thumbnail in the beginning. That's pretty sick. We have logos. My logo. Okay, let's put that AquaTechFantasy logo up in here. Not AquaQuest, AquaTech. Wait, let's go to all files. Let's go here. Oh, you can only use a PNG file. Oh, they want me to get surgical. All right, well, all right. So let's just do that then. All right, so we're gonna go here, and we're gonna screenshot this to make it a PNG. I know you're like, why do all that when you can just listen? I don't know. All right, so we did that. Let's go back here and go back to drag a new logo. We're gonna go to the download here. Oh wait, no, it's under pictures and then screenshots. All right, there we go. All right. Oh, it's on the top right now.
going to show you, right? So make sure you hit Open Developer Options.
That's
If it
sick.
doesn't open, you're going to have to go to
That's dope.
your settings.
This thing is revolutionary. If you want to check out this program, definitely on the check it on the bottom of the link in the description below. I'm going to put the link there and check out my affiliate code so you can actually get an extra percentage off and more perks on this actual program. Okay. So yeah, so back to this. We have a progress bar, show playback across the video. On the bottom?
Here,
No.
things, and then you're
They even have a
shoots
progress
with a dot
bar.
per inch or
Can
yeah,
you
dot
blur
per
the
inch. So
lines?
basically, these are the dots. So like the highest resolution, the
This
better.
is crazy.
Whatever one you want.
We
We're
could
gonna hit
change the
the
color of the
standard one
progress
here.
bar.
We're gonna hit next. Android
Sweet.
9. You can name it whatever. I'm gonna name it
Social
regular.
post. So let's see. So we got the social posts here. What platforms are you posting it on? TikTok. Professional, casual, mm, generate posts. What? Ever wanted to run a completely different operating system right inside your phone? You can actually use an app called Virtual Master. That's crazy. And it gives you hashtags. What in the world? They give you hashtags and a caption. Wow. Crazy. And it has the hashtags. What about for YouTube? It has a title, has a description, has the hashtags. No way. This is definitely like the ultimate content creator website. Shout out to CaptionBolt again for making it so seamless and easy for us. This is super awesome. Wow. And it has templates. So, wow. So if you just wanted a template, you can just do that.
Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to use a virtual phone within your phone. Okay, so have you ever imagined running a virtual phone?
This is sweet. Yo, definitely shout out the Caption Bolt for this. Let's sign out here and let's see what the memberships are here for us. Okay, so for us talking about it here, we already just seen everything and how amazing this looks, okay? 300 plus caption styles. You can resize the TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. We just seen that. Smart B-roll, which was insane with the AI, okay? The captions were insane. Being able to trim and export. This program right here might be the best program to actually edit with. Forget a CapCut. This might be better than CapCut. This might just be, I don't know. Like, I'm gonna be real. This might be better than CapCut. You're doing it on the fly. You can export multiple ones. Let's just see the pricing of this, okay? And remember, definitely go to my affiliate link and check out this program, okay? First and foremost, it is free. You can get it for free. Check it out, monthly, okay? Get it for free. Try it out. Definitely let me know in the comments section, but do it through my affiliate code, okay? There's a starter as well, starting for 9 months. I think if you're really serious about it after using it for the free, you can go to starter and try it there. Okay. This is definitely awesome. And I highly, highly recommend this program. Um, yeah, this is absolutely amazing. I'm going to send this to all my content creator friends to check this out because it's super cool and super dope. I can't wait to look more into this. But I'm going to try this as my daily driver. I'm going to use it and just check more on this and see what's going on. And when I find some more tips and tricks, you're probably going to see more of me making more caption bolt videos. So just know that over CapCut. But until then, yeah. Um, if you have any other questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below.